जनकृति दीदी अभी तक तो कोई आया नहीं, 10 मिनट और 5-7 मिनट और वेट कर लें?
जी दीदी।
जनकृति दीदी, इस बार तो रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है तो साउंड मिल जाएगी ना?
बिल्कुल दीदी।
ठीक है। इवनिंग 5 बजे है ना शाम को?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, आज यस।
अच्छा, अच्छा।
जी दीदी।
ठीक है दीदी। दीदी वो जो लिंक वगैरह थी वो आपने नहीं दी तो फिर मैं शेयर कैसे करूँगी?
मैं अभी इस पे डाल देती हूँ दीदी, चैट बॉक्स में डाल देती हूँ, फिर आप उसी को कॉपी पेस्ट कर लीजिएगा।
ओके, ठीक है
हाँ जी,
दीदी।
ओके।
जय गुरु दीदी।
जी दीदी। राधा दीदी दोनों चैट बॉक्स में डाल दिया है मैंने, ऑडियो ट्रेनिंग ग्रुप का भी और जो फॉर्म में डिटेल्स भरवानी है वो भी।
हाँ दीदी, दोनों मिल गया दीदी।
हाँ जी।
ठीक। अच्छा दीदी सुनिए ना,
अटेंडेंस
मैं
ले लेना।
8:15 कुछ बोलूँ मैं?
हाँ
बाद में
जी।
बोलूँगी। मैं बोल रही थी मैं 8:15-20 पे ना बेटे के स्कूल निकल जाऊँगी, मैं ये कह रही थी। कोई प्रॉब्लम
ठीक
नहीं होगी ना?
दीदी,
तब तक मैं शेयर।
प्रीति दीदी से कांटेक्ट कर लीजिएगा दीदी, बाकी की अटेंडेंस वो ले लेंगे।
ओके, ठीक है दीदी।
तब तक की आप ले लीजिएगा अटेंडेंस, बाकी वो
हाँ,
ले।
हाँ, तब तक तो मैं ले लूँगी।
ओके
और
दीदी।
ठीक है दीदी।
हाँ जी, कुछ बोल रहे थे आप?
हाँ, नहीं वही कि सब तो फॉर्म फिल अप करेंगे तो फिर वहाँ से भी अटेंडेंस मिल जाएगी शायद। और मैं वैसे स्क्रीनशॉट ले लूँगी।
जी दीदी।
एक बात थी मैं आपसे बाद में पूछूँगी वो, अभी यहाँ
जी
मीटिंग में नहीं पूछनी मुझे।
जी दीदी।
ठीक है दीदी?
जी दीदी।
जय गुरुदेव। जनकृति दीदी शुरू करें क्या?
जी दीदी। मैं प्रेजेंट कर देती हूँ दीदी। सभी को प्रणाम, जय गुरुदेव। गायत्री मंत्र से शुरुआत करेंगे, सभी एक साथ एक स्वर में। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Good morning. Rather, I would say good evening to each one of you. This is the audio training session. I'm sure each one of you, but before joining and before starting off with this session, I would request you, each one of you, to just join this training group, which is in a WhatsApp group, as G4 GY 4YC, which is Gayatri Yagni for year 4-year campaign. It's a 4-year campaign, which is Gayatri Yagna, and it's audio trainee group. So as soon as you finish this session, you will be getting a training kit, and you will have to undergo a small test, an audio training test. So request you all to please join this training group, and there's another link which has been shared with you, which is of a form. So it just has three details, which is your phone number, your name, and your email ID. So if you could share that with us, it will be easier for us to maintain the database and to share any further details in the future. So it would be great if you could share this. Now let's start with the session and what exactly are we going to do in this meeting. Uh, though many of you, in fact, most of you are from Gayatri Parivar and you pretty much have an idea of what are the campaigns going on, what is the project, but there might be a few who are new. So let's have a quick view of what exactly are we doing in this project and a small and short introduction. What is going to be recorded, where to record, how to record, when we are recording, what is it that you have to keep in mind while, before, and after recording, what kind of sample audios are there so that we can refer to the same. One of the sample audios we will hear over here in this session, and one we will send it to you via kit, which you can refer to as and when you require. How to further submit the audio files which have been recorded and to whom, then about how to go about the qualification test, and then in case if you have any question answers, we can go ahead with that. So can we start, Sunita Didi? Should we start?
Ji Didi, we can start.
Okay. So a short introduction to the project. Our Gurudev, Vedmurti Taponist Pandit Sriram Sharma Acharya ji, as you all know, have written n number of books, more than 3,200 books in almost all aspects of human life, which is under the project named Gyan Yagna, right? And this Gyan Yagna, these books are getting digitalized, which means they are getting uploaded in the form of ebook and audiobooks. So you will find these ebooks on our website awgp.org. Uh, Many of the books are getting uploaded even now. So all those which have been uploaded into the ebook format are getting recorded as audiobooks. And this is where our role comes into picture, where we are doing audiobook recording, which is a sub project of the main Gyan Yagna. So what is to be recorded? There would be something like this, a message like this from the allocators who are going to give you books to be recorded after, of course, the training and, of course, after the qualification, uh, mostly by Sunita Didi and a few more other allocators. So they would give you, they would send you a WhatsApp message on like something like this, which will have details of where the link, where the book is. So this link, if you could share, if you could see this cursor, http literature awgp.org. So this is a link. I will show you how to browse through, how you will go through and see where the book is and how to read it. Further, she has also given all the guidelines, the details of how the duration of the audio should be, what should be the name of the book. All these details can easily be seen. In fact, even the link where you have to upload the files, the form link is also being mentioned in the message itself. So you will find it very easy to read and audio record and then submit. But in case if you still find any difficulties, we are all there to assist you. So if you click on this above link, which I just showed, which is HTTP Literature AW, and you can see खिलौनों ने अध्यात्म का सत्यानाश कर दिया. Okay, so this, if you can see, खिलौनों ने अध्यात्म का सत्यानाश कर दिया. This is the red marking is where you have to click, where read online. Once you click this read online, you will be transferred to this page, which is the actual book in the e-format. Okay, and then below is the page number. If you could see one, and there are arrows given, so you can quickly browse through and you can move on to the next page. So now this is where you will find the book to record. So where to record now this book? You can download either Lexis Audio Editor or Audacity. I would recommend Lexis over Audacity because Audacity still has a lot of minute details, and it's mostly for the editing. So editing would not be required at your end. You just need to simply record and send it across. So it would be preferred if you use a standard format of Lexis Audio Editor, which is working on both iOS and Android phones. So what you have to do is just go to the Play Store, write Lexis Audio Editor, and you will be able to download it. Once you have downloaded, how are you going to operate it? How to record on Lexis? Some basic concepts. When you open once downloaded the app, you open it, it will look something like this. Is this visible? Is the screen visible?
हाँ दीदी दिख रही है.
जी दीदी. So if you can see this, there is a red button over here. You can start with this red button. The audio recording automatically will start. But in case if you have to take a pause, आपको एक break लेना हो, so what you can do is you can see these two blue lines, which is for pause. So you can pause for as much time you want, and you can complete your work and get back. Once you are back, you again resume with the red button. आप फिर से स्टार्ट कर लीजिए, फिर से ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग कर लीजिए. Once you are done with the audio recording, you can use this last button. If you can see my cursor, यहाँ पे एक last button है, square, white square है. Though it appears gray over here because the red button is on. आप जब इसको बंद करेंगे तो ये white color हो जाएगा. So this white button has to be clicked. आप ये click करेंगे तो your audio is recorded and is ready to be saved. Before saving, you can also play it and see whether it's come out fine or not by using this green button. Okay, and in case if you're getting confused, this presentation will also be shared with you so that you can again see and try it out for yourself. आपने एक बार play कर दिया and you want to save it, there is a button save over here which probably might not be visible because of this box. There is a save button over here which you can save, and the way you will name your file is as follows. So you will have audio 1, 2, 3, and then underscore the code of the book and then the book name. This will be the format of your saving the files. Why? Because we follow a standard format so that it is easy to retrieve from the depository. Okay, so here you will, this is, I had shown you how the message was. In that message itself, this code and the book name will be available to you, so you need not search for it anywhere. You just have to add audio 1, 2, 3 accordingly as per your audio recordings. Next is what to keep in mind before, while and after recording. The first thing is select a suitable place for recording which is convenient to you, which you think is comfortable. It should be calm and silent so that there is no outside noise, no any additional disturbances. It is properly lighted so that you can easily read the book and it does not strain your eyes. a comfortable seating position. Please keep pen and paper handy and water bottle. Why? Because as you go on recording, there might be few disturbances. You might want to take a pause for some reason. In that case, you can quickly jot down which page, which paragraph, where have you stopped, at how many minutes, and so on and so forth. This will help you to again resume your audio recording exactly from where you stopped. And this will not cause any confusion, neither any repetition. So please keep a pen and paper handy and a glass of water so that whenever you feel thirsty, you can pause and again, so that the quality of voice is maintained. Next is please start at least 5 minutes before so that you can have a composed voice. 5 minutes of silent meditation would really help and enhance the quality of voice. Do not use headphones or earphones because though we do not really feel that there is any kind of noise around, but headphones and earphones do cause a disturbance. And as we all know that whatever we speak is something like a vibration. Okay, so when we use headphones and earphones, these vibrations uh, have these frequencies are not proper, so it's difficult to edit, and hence it is recommended that do not use headphones and earphones. um, Please, when you start reading the book, do not directly go on to read. At least try reading the initial 5 6 lines of the book, or in case if there are some hard words, or you would like to repeat and practice those words, for example, Sanskrit shlok or something, it would be better if you could just get a grip of what you are reading, so that other than just mere words, there'll be also emotions and fluctuations, and there would be variations in your speaking, and it won't be monotonous, so the listener also will enjoy your reading completely. So after you start, the next important thing is that please wait for 10 seconds after you have started the recording. What do I mean by this? When you start the red button, the audio recording will start. Do not start speaking right then. Wait for 10 seconds and then start speaking. Why? Because this initial 10 seconds will help the editing team to identify what are the background noises, and they can remove those noises from the entire audio. Thereby, it will enhance your quality of voice and it will remove all the background disturbances. So, next is do not add any salutations, introduction, or conclusion. For example, do not say Jai Gurudev, do not start with a Gayatri mantra, do not introduce the book. We need not need and we need not be add any kind of salutations, any kind of introduction. So, what do we start with? The question, right? So, you would start with the audio number, the book name, and the author's name and the topic. So, whatever topic is given in the book. For example, one example has been shared below. Gayat Audio 4, गायत्री और उसकी प्राण प्रक्रिया, लेखक वेदमूर्ति तपोनिष्ठ पंडित श्री राम शर्मा आचार्य जी, गायत्री द्वारा प्राण प्रक्रिया का अभिवर्धन, this is the topic. So you need not say this is the topic, and then you would start with the matter. So this is how the start would be, and end would exactly be as the paragraph ends. You will stop there. You need not say now it has ended, or nothing. No salutations are required over there as well. No conclusions. Moving on. In case if you think that you uttered a wrong word, or there was not a proper pronunciation, take a pause, wait for 5 seconds, repeat the word with correct pronunciation, and continue. So, that small pause will help identify where the mistake is, and that mistake can be easily removed, continuing with the correct pronunciation, which will be added to your final audio. We need to understand that these recordings are going to be circulated across 780 crore people worldwide. So we can understand the quality of voice which would be expected by each one of us, and hence this training. So in case if we feel anywhere that we have made a mistake in either recording, or sometimes it also happens that while recording, for example, there is some kind of a sudden noise, or let's say the bell is ringing, or the phone bell is ringing, or some kind of a noise which is being also recorded while the person is speaking. In that case, since you know that there was a single line or a sentence during which this noise came, you can simply stop, take a pause, okay, give 5 seconds of a break, repeat the sentence. Do not assume that that voice can be removed, because when we remove that voice, even for or that sound disturbance, the actual voice also gets lowered or the quality deteriorates. So, in case if you feel that there was some disturbance while I was speaking, simply kindly do a re-recording so that that noise can be cut and the new one can simply be added to the initial one. Do not be too fast or too slow while recording. If you require, please take pauses, but we need to maintain a single tempo. Then do not break the words. For example, pratinidhitva, do not break it like pratinidhitva. So we need to avoid this, because these very small, minute words and the breakage between them becomes very difficult while editing. So we need to keep in mind that in case if I have said pratinidhitva, which means I've gone wrong, I will take a pause and repeat it pratinidhitva. Yes. So we will need to keep in mind all these recording tips. Do not add any kind of a self explanation to the audio. It does not require. The book is just a simple reading of the book. We are not expected to do any kind of a self explanation. Uh, of course, we all would do it with full understanding and emotions. So do keep the same pitch, neither a too high tone, neither a too low tone, because sometimes it's like people start with a very high tone and then they go on to very low tone. No, so that becomes very, it either becomes too loud or too soft, and this kind of a fluctuating pitch is not, suits the hearing of the recipient and the listener. Um, Okay, in case if you think that there is some word which is not easy to pronounce, you can simply go on to Google and type howtopronounce.com. And this is where it's a free website where it directly shows the word and how, and you can hear the word how it is to be actually pronounced. So these can be used especially for Sanskrit words and a little difficult words which are not in our daily use. So, but rather than making a wrong pronunciation, uh, it would be expected that we check out and we correctly pronounce it while the recording happens. Do not leave too much of gap between the words or the sentences, or when we are switching the paragraphs, do not leave too much of a gap. A small gap of, let's say, 2 3 seconds is more than enough. Now, let's hear one of the sample audio recordings.
प्राण ऊर्जा का अभिवर्धन साधक की भौतिक और आध्यात्मिक सफलताओं का मार्ग प्रशस्त करता है। सूर्य भेदन की प्रक्रिया सामान्य दिखते हुए असामान्य परिणाम प्रस्तुत करने वाली है। चौथा क्रम है प्राण योग का उच्च स्तरीय प्रयोग, सोहम साधना। प्राण तत्व की प्रचुरता भौतिक सफलताओं का कारण बनती है और आध्यात्मिक प्रगति की भी। भौतिक जीवन में प्राणवान व्यक्ति का सर्वत्र वर्चस्व होता है। व्यक्तित्व की प्रभाव उत्पादक क्षमता सहज ही अपने अनुयायियों, सहयोगियों एवं समर्थकों की संख्या बढ़ाती है। जीवन संपन्न ही संसार में विजय हासिल कर पाते तथा कुछ महत्वपूर्ण कहा जाने योग्य काम कर पाते हैं। मनोबल, संकल्प बल की दृढ़ता प्राण तत्व के आधार पर ही बनती है, जो हर भौतिक सफलता का आधार है। आध्यात्मिक क्षेत्र में भी प्राणवान ही सफल हो पाते हैं तथा कुछ महत्वपूर्ण उपलब्धियां अर्जित कर पाते हैं। कुछ को यह संपदा जन्म जन्मांतरों की साधना के फल स्वरूप अनायास भी जन्मजात प्राप्त होती है, पर विशिष्ट साधना प्रक्रिया अपनाकर हर कोई प्राण के लहलहाते महासागर में से अपनी झोली भर सकता है और प्राण संपन्न बन सकता है।
So this was one of the small sample recordings. Now we'll see how to submit the recorded audio files and to whom. Now the question to whom is from whichever allocator. We have got this book, we are going to return it back. We are going to send the audios back to the allocator. How? By submitting the form. Now what kind of a form is this?
दीदी अगर ये मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी तो आप लोग फिर से एक बार ज्वाइन कर लेना। आई थिंक ये मीटिंग कह रही है कि खत्म होने वाली है, आई थिंक 10 मिनट्स में, तो अगर नहीं होगा तो फिर से आप लोग ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच, सॉरी दीदी फॉर इंटरप्ट।
So this online form for audio submission will be shared with you. As you must have seen कि दीदी का जो message था उसमें नीचे audio form भी दिया गया था. So this is where you can quickly copy paste. And in case if you still don't find it, we will be sharing it in the training audio kit. So over there also you will find this online form. How does this appear and how do we have to fill this form? It will have some details like this where you have to enter your name, your email ID, phone number. Click on the next. You will get these projects. Since we are doing audio recording, we need to click audio book reading. We have to select this point. We move on to the language. Since it's mostly Hindi or whichever language book you have, you can select that. Once you have selected that, we move on to the name of the book. For example, it is written Karmakand Kyun or Kaise. And then there is a website link. Now this website link you will find in the message from the allocator. The allocator message will have this link. It is the same link that we refer to for reading the book. Then you have the code of the book, which is also given by the allocator in the message. You simply have to copy paste this. So name of the book, the link and the code. Let me show you the message again so that you can see where we found these. This is the message if you could see. H_YS_1. This was the code. Karmakand Kyun or Kaise was already given by the allocator. And http literature.awgp.org. This is the link which we were supposed to put up. If you can see here. Yes, so you will find all these data in the message itself. You need not search for it anywhere. Just have to copy and paste it. Now, the next point would be to upload the completed files according to the work allotted. Click on the add file. It will bring you to this page, which is drag files or either select from your device. Once you click on select files from your device, just select them from wherever you have stored them or saved them. After doing, you will see something like this where the audio file gets uploaded. Once it gets uploaded, click on the upload. Now, submission of what? First draft, check copy, final or others. Since we are doing the first copy, we need to click on first draft copy only. Do not click on any other submission point. The last one is notes or comments. You can add some notes or comments in case if you have any. This form is allowed, it will allow only 10 audios to be uploaded because of some security purposes. So in case if you have more audios, what you can do is upload the initial 10 and then the remaining ones you can add a note that initial 10 have been uploaded here out of 15, or the next 5 have been uploaded out of 15. So that will give pretty much an idea to the allocator as to how many you have uploaded in which file. And then simply go ahead and submit it. This is how you will submit the file once the audio recording has been finished. You also need to update the allocator on the WhatsApp where you received this message of the allocation. Please inform that the files have been uploaded. Now, for the test qualification, there has one link has been shared with you, which is of a Google form. It contains the name, contact number, and the email ID. Just the 3 details. Request you all to join the WhatsApp group and fill in this form for further contact purposes. It just contains name, phone number, and email ID. You have to submit it. Now, once this training is over, you will be receiving training audio kit, which will contain the SOP, the statement of purpose, sample audio, test booklet, and the online form submission link. So by tomorrow 6 p.m., you can go ahead and submit these details by filling up the form. Now, when you fill up the form, the code which will be used, you can record for Hindi or Sanskrit or both, in whichever you are comfortable with. The code is demo_H_AA43. So these codes you need not record them now. These codes will be shared with you with the sample. So this is just for the information that there will be 2 types of audio samples given to you. One is for Hindi and one is for Sanskrit. Whichever you're comfortable in, you can record and fill 2 different forms for each one of them. Thank you. In case if you have questions, we can take them, please.
हाँ, जय गुरुदेव दीदी।
जय गुरुदेव दीदी।
दीदी, दिस इज नेहा। मैं ये पूछना चाह रही थी कि आपने जो ये लेक्सस ऑडियो एडिटर के बारे में बताया, ये आईफोन में तो नहीं है ना?
आईफोन में भी होगा दीदी, ये iOS बेस्ड भी है।
हाँ, तो मैं फिर फोन में करती थी अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग ऑडियोज में जाके, तो कैसे करूं फिर, क्योंकि मैं ऐप में देख रही थी, मुझे नहीं मिला लेक्सस ऑडियो एडिटर।
दीदी मैं आपसे बाद में इंडिविजुअली इसको बता दूंगी, है ना, एडिटिंग टीम में कैसे आपको उसको पूरा आपको फोन में सर्च करके लेक्सस ऑडियो एडिटर आपको डाउनलोड करना है।
अच्छा, आप मेरे से फिर बात कर लेंगी बाद में?
जी, आपका डिटेल्स डाल दीजिए दीदी।
अच्छा, और दूसरा मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि आपने जैसे बोला ना एग्जाम्पल के ऑडियो 4, तो फिर से बुक नेम बोलना है, फिर से ऑथर नेम बोलना है, मतलब हर ऑडियो में यू हैव टू से द बुक नेम एंड द ऑथर नेम?
Yeah, because what happens is, in case if your audio 4 sometimes gets mixed with another audio 4, then it becomes difficult to identify which book have you recorded.
Okay.
So it brings more clarity कि आप audio 4 बोल दें और फिर book का नाम और author का, so that वो clarity रहे कि this is what your audio is.
Okay, so I cannot record in my normal जो मैं कर रही थी ना voice memos में नहीं करूँ? I have been recording books in that अभी for a while.
हाँ, नहीं, what happens is we are trying to standardize the format ताकि जो audio हर एक because every handset has a different audio capacity. So some have good and some have bad. So what we have maintained is one type of audio structure. So even for editing it becomes easier. तो इसके लिए recommend कर रहे हैं कि आप Lexis ही use करें या Audacity भी चलेगा. In case if you have Audacity, you can use that as well.
I don't know iPhone में क्या दीदी, will you where should I put my details so that you can get in touch with me? We can get in touch.
In the form and on the WhatsApp. I have shared both the links with you.
Okay.
I'll share it again.
Thank you.
नेहा, मैंने हिंदी ऑडियो बुक में वो फॉर्म और जो दीदी ने लिंक भेजा ना वो सब शेयर कर दिया है।
हाँ दीदी, मैं बुक ज्वाइन कर गई हूँ ग्रुप, तो वहाँ मैं अपना इन्फॉर्मेशन दूँ तो मेरे से आप लोग बात कर लोगे, है ना?
हाँ, आप वहाँ दे दो।
ठीक है दीदी, थैंक यू। जय गुरुदेव।
और किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो दीदी हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं वो ऑडेसिटी में, मेरे पास लैपटॉप है तो मैं लैपटॉप से ऑडेसिटी में रिकॉर्ड करती हूँ, दैट विल बी ओके?
हाँ जी, यस दीदी।
ठीक है दीदी, थैंक यू। और किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लें।
हेलो।
हाँ जी, जय गुरुदेव।
हाँ दीदी, मैं अनुरीता अवध बोल रही हूँ।
जी दीदी।
हाँ जी,
हेलो।
बोलिए
जी
बोलिए
दीदी।
दीदी।
हाँ दीदी, हम पूरी बात समझ नहीं पाए हैं, थोड़ा हिंदी में भी समझाएंगे तो बात समझ में आ जाएगी मेरे, कैसे क्या करना है।
दीदी आप इंडिया से हैं कि अमेरिका से हैं?
इंडिया से, इंडिया से।
तो दीदी इंडिया के लिए आपको दीदी फिर से भेज देंगी ये मीटिंग। दीदी आपके पास अनुरीता दीदी का नंबर या कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन है? क्योंकि आपकी इंडिया की तो मीटिंग कल होगी ना, आज शाम को होगी ना?
आज शाम को होगी दीदी 5 बजे।
हाँ, तो फिर उनको तब बुला सकते हैं, क्योंकि तब तो आप पूरा हिंदी में ही एक्सप्लेन करते होगे
जी
मोस्ट
जी
प्रॉब्ली।
दीदी। यस दीदी।
तो अनुरिता दीदी आप आपका नंबर क्या है दीदी? आप अपना नंबर चैट में शेयर कर देंगे?
हाँ, चैट में कर देती हूँ, वैसे ईमेल और वो सब में डाल दिया है मैंने।
ठीक है दीदी, पर भी नंबर आपको हमें दे दें, जिससे शाम तक आपको फिर से कनेक्ट कर लेंगे। तो आप
ठीक
चैट
है।
में डाल दीजिए, मैं ये दीदी को, जनकृति दीदी को भेज दूंगी।
अच्छा अच्छा।
हाँ
तो ये चैट में जा रही है तो वो जानकी दीदी को ही जा रहा है।
हाँ, तो मगर ये जैसे दीदी मीटिंग खत्म होगी ना, चैट का सब सब चला जाता
हाँ
है।
हाँ,
तो
तो दीदी
इसलिए
को तो मैंने भेज ही दिया है।
अच्छा ठीक है,
सबके लिए कैसे डालूं?
सबके लिए रहने दीजिए, फिर दीदी को भेज दिया तो फिर बस दीदी से ही कनेक्ट करना है आपको, तो हो
अच्छा
जाएगा
अच्छा
आपको
अच्छा।
फिर। हाँ जी, हो जाएगा।
ठीक, जय गुरुदेव। आज
जय।
शाम को भी है दीदी? आज शाम को भी है मीटिंग?
5 बजे है दीदी, आज शाम को, यही वाली, यही लिंक पे।
अच्छा, आज शाम को 5 बजे।
हाँ, वो
ठीक
मगर
है।
हिंदी में होगी दीदी।
हाँ, हिंदी में ही चाहिए।
हाँ जी, हिंदी में।
ठीक है दीदी।
और किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है?
जी दीदी, जय गुरुदेव। पूनम,
जय गुरुदेव।
क्या का ऑडियो होना चाहिए?
सॉरी, आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है दीदी।
ओ
सोनल
अच्छा,
दीदी।
मैंने बोला कितने मिनट्स का ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग होना
15
चाहिए?
15 मिनट्स का दीदी।
ओ अच्छा।
आइडियल टाइम 15 है, 14 हो सकता है या 16 हो सकता है, 1-2 मिनट में कोई बात नहीं है। बट आइडियल टाइम कोशिश करें कि 15 मिनट्स का ही रखें।
ओके। एक्चुअली मैंने जो बुक पढ़ा उसके पहले वो काफी छोटी थी, तो आई गेस वो एक दो में एक, या आई गेस वही एक डेढ़ में ही खत्म हो जाएगा, तो इट्स ओके है।
1-1.5
तो
मिनट में।
एक डेढ़ ऑडियो में, नहीं 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 एक मतलब लाइक
यस यस, नो प्रॉब्लम दीदी, कोई बात नहीं। अगर वो
अच्छा
जितने भी, हाँ जी कोई बात नहीं, जितने में हो उतने में खत्म कर दीजिए।
अच्छा अच्छा। और आप ये प्रेजेंटेशन शेयर कर सकेंगे या सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन
बिल्कुल
लाइक
बिल्कुल दीदी,
बहुत
ये
इजी
वीक
रहेगा?
में पूरा शेयर किया जाएगा दीदी।
अच्छा
दीदी ये
अच्छा।
रिकॉर्डिंग भी हो रही है, तो हम रिकॉर्डिंग भी शेयर कर देंगे सोनल दीदी।
ओके दीदी, ठीक है दी सुनीता दी।
और भी किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है? नहीं तो फिर हम लोग।
सुनीता दीदी।
हाँ जी, बोलिए
सुनीता,
दीदी। बोलिए
हाँ,
विभूति दीदी।
माफी चाहती हूँ मैं। मैं आईपैड से करती हूँ, तो उसको मेरे मेरे को ऑडियो जो हो गई, फिर मैं ये भेज कैसे सकती हूँ फॉर्म में, ये मेरे को पता नहीं चलता है।
दीदी आप जब फॉर्म भरेंगे तो जैसे मैंने दिखाया था कि सिलेक्ट फाइल्स में आप जाएंगे, तो सिलेक्ट फाइल्स में आपने जहाँ पे सेव किया हुआ है इस ऑडियो को, वहाँ
हाँ
से
हाँ।
आपको सिलेक्ट करके इसमें डालना है, तो ये अपलोड हो जाएगा।
विभूति दीदी, मुझे आपके साथ एक जूम मीटिंग करनी पड़ेगी
आईपैड
प्लीज
में भी
आप।
हो सकती है।
जी दीदी
ओके,
बिल्कुल।
मेरे मेरे साथ स्पेशल कर देना।
हाँ दीदी, आईपैड में आप
नहीं तो
ईमेल
मैं तो
चेक
आपको
करते
ही
हो ना?
भेजती रहूंगी।
कोई बात नहीं दीदी, मैं अभी तक तो कर ही रही हूँ। दीदी
तो
गूगल कर सकते हो ना आप आईपैड में?
हाँ, गूगल से ही करती हूँ मैं, गूगल से ही फोल्डर बनाती हूँ और आपको
ठीक है,
भेजती हूँ।
ठीक है,
हाँ,
ठीक है दीदी, तो मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी अलग से।
ओके, कोई बात नहीं सुनीता, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, माफी चाहती हूँ।
नहीं, अरे माफी की
मेरे
क्या बात है
बस
दीदी, ये क्वेश्चन आंसर के लिए मीटिंग है। और
कोई
किसी को क्वेश्चन है तो पूछिए।
तो सुनीता दीदी आप मेरे से बात कर लेना, मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा कैसे रिकॉर्ड करूंगी अब, तो थोड़ा आप मेरे से बात कर लेना।
हाँ, मैं बात कर लूंगी आपसे। ऑर्डर सिटी भी आप डाउनलोड आई थिंक होता है फोन में, कर सकते, देखती हूँ, मैं आपको बताऊंगी, क्योंकि मेरा
ठीक
भी
है जी,
आईफोन है ना, मैं टेस्ट कर लूंगी।
ठीक है जी, थैंक
हाँ
यू।
दीदी मुझे भी बताइएगा, मुझे भी नहीं आता है।
जरूर दीदी, आपको तो जनकृति दीदी शाम को ही समझा देंगी अच्छे से।
ठीक है।
अगर जरूरत पड़ेगी तो मैं भी समझा दूंगी, पर दीदी भी समझा देंगी।
ठीक है।
और किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ ले। आई थिंक फिर जनकृति दीदी हो गया, तो शांति पाठ कर लेते हैं। और
जी।
आप मुझे रिकॉर्डिंग भी शेयर करना और प्रेजेंटेशन दोनों चीज शेयर कर दीजिए।
जी दीदी। शांति पाठ करेंगे सभी कमर से भी। ओम द्यौ शान्तिरन्तरिक्षगं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्ति ओषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्ति विश्वे देवाः शान्तिः ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि। ॐ शान्तिः 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 सर्वारिष्टस्य शान्तिर्भवतु। जय गुरुदेव।
जय गुरुदेव।
सभी को प्रणाम। जय गुरुदेव।
जय गुरुदेव, सभी को प्रणाम। गुड नाइट।
गुड नाइट।
गुड नाइट।
जय गुरुदेव।
जय गुरुदेव। प्रणाम।